Dentcoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Dentcoin, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update of Dentcoin. What's the price changes occur? Let me show you. But at this time, you can see, your guys, the current price of Dentcoin in the market is about 0.005995 USD dollar. That is the current price of Dentcoin. In other side, if we talk about the changes update, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, these all changes of Dentcoin is completely going positive. So that's good news. That's great for all Dentcoin holders. Very congratulations. You are in the huge profit. Let me show you the price chart. Wow, absolutely, yes. You know what? I think it is the beginning of a huge pump. You know what? I predicated Dentcoin that in the last of October, there is a higher possibility that Dentcoin will highly pump. So I think it's a huge pump. Guys, just hold for a long time. I hope you get a huge profit. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your prediction about Dentcoin? Also share in the comment box. And guys, if you're new in my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button for more news and updated videos. So guys, you can see, guys, that the changes of Dentcoin is completely positive. 45% Dentcoin change is positive in last 1 month. So that's mean that it is a profitable coin. If you want to buy, so I think it's opportunity. And as I predicated that upcoming 10 days Dentcoin price changes will be positive. So that's why buy now and just wait, just hold for 10 days. You get a huge profit. Remember, I'm not a financial advisory. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any crypto, any coin, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching.